This video is about getting started with Ballerina Azure Functions. In this video, I'll be creating a Ballerina Azure Function and then deploy it in Azure Cloud. So if I go to my VS Code, here you can see I have already installed Azure extension, and here you can see I have already logged into my Azure account. So under Function app, let's create a new Function app. I'll just name it as Ballerina Demo. Select Java 17, Windows. I'll just use an existing resource group. Okay, here you can see the new Azure Function app is being created. So in the meantime, let's create a Ballerina Azure Function so that we can deploy it. So if you do Ctrl+Shift+P, you'll be able to see this command. If not, you can just search for it. So if you click on that, you can select the folder you want to create the new project in. Here you can see there are several programming languages supported. Select Ballerina. I'll just use HTTP trigger. There are other triggers as well. For this, I'll just use HTTP trigger. Okay, the new Azure function is being created. Here you can see a Ballerina listener, and here you can see a Ballerina service. So since this is a HTTP trigger, you can see a resource function with HTTP verb and resource path. So I'll just rename this as say hello. Okay, so let's build this Azure function. So I just need to click on this. Here you can see the function is being built. Okay, so it gives you two options. One option is to run the function locally, and the other option is to run the function in Azure Cloud. So let's run the function locally first and then deploy it in Azure Cloud. Okay, so let me execute this command. Okay, so this is the URL. So let's try to invoke that. So to invoke this URL, I'm just using REST client. So let me copy paste this, and I just need to give the query param. I'll just say for. Okay, so let's run this and see. Okay, so it works. So now let's deploy the same function in Azure Cloud. So what you can do is go back to Azure extension, and here if you click on this, you can see the option deploy to function app. Click on that and then select the function app. Okay, so here you can see it is being deployed. There should be some additional logs as well. Okay, so if I click on this, I should be able to see some additional logs. Okay, so the function is deployed, so you can see the new URL. So if you just copy that and go back to request.http, which is the file I used to send request, and here you can say again the same thing, maybe this time John. And if you send the request now, okay, you get the same response you got earlier. So that's how you can create a Ballerina Azure function and then deploy it in Azure Cloud. So if I just go to my browser and click on function app, I should be able to see my function app. Under that function app, you can see the function I just deployed now. So if you want to know more about Ballerina Azure Functions, you can just go to ballerina.io and learn more about it.